Alright, so here's how I've been embedding my videos into my classroom without it affecting my co-teacher. So first off, I do the video on Screencast-O-Matic, and with Screencast-O-Matic, you're able to just upload them straight to YouTube, so they go straight to my YouTube channel, which is pretty awesome, and I really like that Screencast-O-Matic lets you do that because then it's a lot easier to embed. So once you have your video uploaded to YouTube, if you click share right here and then click embed, then it creates this embed link. So then if you click copy, then it copies that embed link. And let me move my face over for a sec. There we go. So then if you copy that link, then you just have that link to embed into your course. So now if you go to your actual course, so I'm going to put this into, I'm going to upload and create into the learn section of this lesson right here. So I'm going to go upload and create, and then I'm going to go video or audio, and then it pops up with enter URL or embed code. So if you just enter the URL of your YouTube video, then it makes them actually like have to click on the link and then it takes them to YouTube, and it's just an extra step. But if you do that embed link in there, then it embeds that video into the actual course, which is pretty cool. So I just copied it, pasted it on there, and then I'm just gonna write down the title of my video. So this one was question, who's got a question? I've been reading a lot of Dr. Seuss lately with my daughter since it's Dr. Seuss week, so that's why we have this video here with lots of rhyming going on. Alright, so then once you have that, notice that your video is just there, and then click save. Oh, and there's my daughter in the background for you. Alright, so now it pops up, so now it's in that learn section, but here is where you have to do it to make sure it's just for your course. So right here with required, you're going to click required automatic, because then otherwise it messes up the course a little bit. So if you do like required manual, it doesn't show that they actually watched the video even if they have. So you have to do required automatic and then go add dates and restrictions. And if you create a release condition, and I'm going to go to section enrollment, so then only kids in my section can see it. So then I just click on mine with Cook and then create, and then I update. So now only kids in my section can see it, and so I'm going to go back to learn to show like where my video ended up. So give it just a sec. There we go. So now my video's here, and then I can move it like wherever I want. I'm just going to leave this video here, but I can move it to like any place on the learn section. And then it'll say like move successfully. And then notice that it's got that check mark because we did that required automatic. So I hope that helps. If you have any more questions, let me know.